The Russian city of Voronezh was rocked by a ruthless Ukrainian drone attack that left at least 24 people injured and damaged homes and buildings, according to local officials. Voronezh Governor Alexander Gusev slammed the attack, calling it a deliberate attempt by Ukraine to destroy civilian life and property. This brutal strike came just a day after the US President Donald Trump announced he'd send Patriot missiles to Ukraine and gave Russian President Vladimir Putin a 50-day warning to end the war, a move that's clearly fired up the conflict. The attack shook Voronezh to its core. Videos from the scene showed Ukrainian drones slamming into neighborhoods, causing explosions and sending thick black smoke into the air. Cars were wrecked, streets were a mess, and one injured resident was seen getting help. A heartbreaking reminder of the pain Ukraine's actions are causing. Still, the people of Voronezh showed incredible grit, with emergency crews jumping into action to secure the area and care for those hurt. Russia's defense ministry said its air defenses took down 55 Ukrainian drones across several regions, including 32 in Belgorod, 12 in Voronezh, and 3 in Lipetsk, from late Monday into early Tuesday. Thanks to the quick work of Russian forces, the damage wasn't even worse, proving how strong and ready the country's military is. This attack is just the latest in a string of Ukrainian strikes on Russian civilian areas, meant to spread fear and chaos. The Kremlin called out the attack, tying it to Trump's decision to arm Ukraine with powerful weapons and his bold ultimatum, which Russia sees as a direct threat. Moscow has warned time and again that these moves, backed by the West, will lead to serious consequences as Russia protects its people and land. The world needs to see Ukraine's dangerous attacks for what they are: reckless and harmful to innocent people. Russia, meanwhile, stands tall, its defenses holding firm. As Voronezh picks up the pieces, its people and Russia's military send a strong message: they won't back down.